better to wait in the wintertime anyway.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it takes a little while to get going. The tires might spin. If you have less traction or whatever. These tires have steel studs on them, though. They're pretty good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Steel studs.
Yeah, steel studded tires.
There you go.
We're going to turn left. Sidewalk here. Right out about those yellow signs, there's a left turn. We're going to turn left.
Turn left.
Yeah, just before those yellow signs, there's a roadway there. Hard to see with all these snowbanks.
Yeah.
So you'll have the right of way. The truck is at a stop sign. And the red car is also at a stop sign. Excellent. Now we're just going to keep going right down to the next stop sign, way down there. So as you're driving
That's my
along,
uncle, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The blue truck?
Yeah, he's pretty always got my
I wonder if he recognized you.
I hope not. He said right wherever.
All the way down to
All
the
the way
stop
down,
sign. So yeah, and as you're driving along, this is a good speed. You don't need to slow it down for every intersection. Some people do just to look, but really what you want to do is just start scanning way down to the left, way down to the right. And if there is anybody that, you know, going to run a stop sign, it's going to look like there's not stopping. So basically you're just looking for any motion. Our eyes are attracted to light and motion. Things moving. We're going to make a left turn. And we're just going to keep on going right down to the traffic lights.